Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the chapter 3 Fiber to Fabric. In class 6, you have learned about some fibers obtained from plants. You also learned that wool and silk fibers are obtained from animals. Wool is obtained from the fleece, hair of sheep or yak. Silk fibers come from cocoons of the silk moth. Do you know which part of the sheep's body yields fibers? Are you aware how these fibers are converted into the woolen yarn that we buy from the market to knit sweaters? Do you have any idea how silk fibers are made into silk, which is woven into saris? In this chapter, we shall try to find answers to these questions. In the class 6, we have learned about fibers, right? How many types of fibers are there? Two types, right? Natural and synthetic fibers. What are called as natural fibers? The fibers which are obtained from the plants and animals are called as natural fibers. Give some examples of plant fibers. The plant fibers are obtained from cotton and jute. Okay. And give some examples of fibers which are obtained from animals. Wool and silk. These two are obtained from animals like sheep, goat, yak, camel, etc. As we know that how these fibers are obtained, right? But we don't know about that we are getting these fibers from which part of animal's body. Do you know? We don't know how these fibers are converted into yarn and how these yarns are converted into cloths, right? In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the parts of body which are used to get fibers. Okay. Next, animal fibers, wool and silk. Wool. Wool comes from sheep, goat, yak, and some other animals. These wool yielding animals bear hair on the body. Do you know why these animals have a thick coat of hair? Hair trap a lot of air. Air is a poor conductor of heat, as you would learn in chapter 4. So, hair keeps these animals warm. Wool is derived from these hairy fibers. Now, all of you know that wool is obtained from which animals? Sheep, goat, yak, camels, etc. These are gives us wool, right? And look at these animals' hair. Look at this animal's hair. They have very thick and hard hair, right? These hair keeps the animals always hot because the hairs of the animals are hold by air. The air present in the hair does not pass through the heat out. The air present in these hairs does not allow the heat to pass through out, and so they always feel the hardness inside. We obtain the wool from these thick and hard hairs. Okay. And activity. Feel the hair on your body and arms, on those on your head. Do you find any difference? Which one seems coarse and which one is soft? Let us do the activity. All of you touch your hair on the hand and the head. What do you feel now? Do you feel any difference? Yes, the hair in the hands are very soft, right? And the hair in the head are very hard and thick. Like us, the hairy skin of the sheep has two types of fibers that form its fleece, the coarse beard hair and the fine, soft underhair close to the skin. The fine hair provides the fibers for making wool. Some breeds of sheep possess only fine underhair. Their parents are specially chosen to give birth to sheep which have only soft underhair. This process of selecting parents for obtaining special characters in their offspring, such as soft underhair in sheep, is termed selective breeding. The sheep is also having two types of hair. The horse beard hair which the thick hair in the beard. And look at this picture. This is the horse beard hair and the fine soft underhair close to its skin. This is the soft hair, the sheep, and coarse beard hair is used to the fine soft hair is used to provide wool. And sheep which are having soft hairs are used in the processing of breeding. They give birth to sheep, the female sheep having these soft hair. So we are used these type of sheep for the obtaining of wool. Okay, these sheep are called as selective breeding. Okay.